when you've got the best husband, he is just going to spoil you. So here's my package. He just got me something. I know I did this already, of course, but let's unbox it. And it's from Beauty Manila. And let's see. Ooh. Got. Let's open this first. Oops. Hello, baby. So first, this is the Femmebot. Femmebot? I don't know. You tell me. Let's see. I've always wanted this color. Let's see. And let's swatch. Ooh, it's so light. It's so velvety. I'll try it on later. Next, we have the Girl Crush. Forgive me, it's not focusing that much. There. Girl Crush. I've always loved this shade from Sunnies. And here it is. Voila! Let's swatch it side by side with the Femmebot. The color is just nice. I have the two lip piece that I've always wanted from Sunnies, the Lip Dip collection. So for the last, I've got a dress. Let's just tear it apart. So you can see if the dress will fit or not. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. What's in a bag? It says Lazy Fair Button Dress. It's pretty. Ooh la la, it's pretty. Okay, I'll put it a little further so you can see. Oh, it's kind of big, but I guess it'll just fit me right. I hope so. Okay, let's lay it down. And the size is quite big. I think once I wear it, it'll just be perfectly okay. So that's it for my unboxing video. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to use this. Bye!